All right, rebooted again. So grub customizer, and we have 5.10.01 git, all kind of strange numbers, but this is the reference to the latest, or one of the latest GitHub, how do you call it, releases, not releases, commits. So it's a commit number to GitHub that we're looking at, and this is a little bit strange. You can change the properties, update interval, yeah, fine. CPU icon gone is already a little bit better. And that's that, and that's that, and that's that. Power save. Or just realize that this is just a bad thing to do. Get it out of the way. So I don't like you. I am gonna remove you again. So this is our new look, in case you were wondering. And we were talking about Plank, for example. You can say, let's add Plank to the system. I sometimes see people making that at the bottom, which actually looks great, right? And then you just choose one of our 70. Yep, you heard it right. One of our 70 looks. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is in glass kind of look. And all you need to do is launch things like super F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Launch things. And then you add things. It's okay, keep in dock, that's in dock already, keep in dock, that's in dock already, and so on. The things that are new, keep in dock. Keep in dock. Applications you like and you love, that's an error. We don't keep you in dock. Keep you in dock. Atom, keep you in dock. GIMP, keep you in dock. Okay, now we're gonna delete everything. Super Q, super Q, 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 Q. Whoops, escape. And now we have a nice little thing. And maybe another wallpaper is nice. That's better because the blue. These things, these tags here can go. Panel, panel preferences, lock panel. They're gone. It looks just awesome. And maybe you can also say automatically hide. Here they are. Intelligent. I'll try out the choices, right, and see if it's good. Maybe away is actually better, and it's really clean like this. We have something. There's a small line there. Alt N. If anything dark, you won't see the small line. It's a little bit, 1 pixel maybe, not much, but there is something there. You see there's a menu. And there you go. You have a system, changed system. You're a changed man with a new kernel. And that's so fun, right? You can make this system any way you see fit. And with all the tutorials, we're there to help you if you get stuck. Look here, you see it straight, very good. Maybe 2 pixels, right? And that's your menu. Oop, it's there. Alt F4. That's not working. Which keyboard shortcut is it again? That's GIMP. That's not what I want. Oh, F3. Alt F3. That's your menu as well if you want it. Alt F3. And Alt F1. Remember, we have Alt F1. Super is not working. The super key to open up this menu is not working. There is a tutorial how to fix it. It will collide with OpenBox. Hence, ArcoLinux ISO XFC OpenBox i3 Alt F1. It's there. Certainly now when it's hidden, but guys, Super Shift D. Try to learn the D menu, because in our 21, there's a new one coming to you guys, 21 desktops. We have Super Shift D. We like it, we love it. It's super easy. Vivaldi, boom, install, run it. It's second nature if it's in your fingers, right? Super Shift D, Super Shift D, Super Shift